Have you ever felt like something big is about to happen in your life? A whisper in the wind, a change in the daylight that makes your heart race. It's as if the universe is setting the stage for a grand performance, with you as the star. What lies behind this intuition? Have you ever stopped to ask yourself? Spiritual signs are present at every moment, like stars twinkling in a night sky. They manifest through synchronicities, vivid dreams, and even that inexplicable feeling that an angel is by your side. These signs are not mere coincidences. They are messages of love and guidance, inviting you to take a closer look at your life and your choices. The angels want you to know that you are being guided, that there is a greater purpose in every step you take. Yet within you, there may be a silent battle. Fears that whisper doubts in your ear, barriers that seem insurmountable, an inner voice that screams that you're not good enough. You wonder, what if I fail? What if it's too late? These uncertainties are like shadows that cloud your inner light, making you hesitate to take the next step. Now, imagine that amidst this darkness, a bright light begins to shine. What if I told you that this light is the truth you need to hear? The angels are not just trying to show you that someone is thinking of you, but that this is your chance to reconnect, to open yourself up to love and transformation. This is not just an opportunity, it is a divine calling. Life doesn't wait, and what seems like an obstacle may actually be a portal to your true essence. So the big question is, are you going to take action now? Love doesn't wait. Time is precious, and every moment is a chance for change. Look within yourself and ask, am I ready to embrace my destiny? Am I willing to leave fear behind and take the first step toward what I truly desire? This decision could change your life forever. It's time to listen to the whispers of the angels and allow them to guide your path. Have you ever stopped to notice the little coincidences that seem to happen around you? A recurring number, a song that plays at the exact moment you think of someone, or an inexplicable feeling that everything is somehow aligning. These are not mere happenstances. They are whispers from the angels, subtle messages from the universe, inviting you to awaken to the truth that lies beneath the surface of reality. Spiritual signs manifest in various ways, but always with a deep purpose. Each synchronicity is a call to your awareness, a reminder that you are not alone. Angels communicate through symbols, numbers, and even through dreams. They want you to recognize that life is a grand puzzle, and every piece that fits reveals truths that were hidden. Sometimes, it takes just a closer look to realize that what seems random truly has a profound meaning. However, you may be facing shadows that cloud your vision. Fears and doubts can stand between you and the clarity the angels are trying to convey. What do you do when hope feels distant? What if your dreams seem out of reach? The uncertainty can be overwhelming. It's easy to get lost in a sea of insecurities, feeling paralyzed by the prospect of taking action. What if I told you that this uncertainty is actually an invitation? The angels are here to reveal to you a powerful insight. The transformation you seek begins within you. The key to unlocking your destiny lies in recognizing that fear is a sign that you are about to take a major step. And that doubt you feel? It's a reflection of the changes that are about to happen. What hides behind your hesitation is the strength you need to move forward. Now, you are challenged to look within. Ask yourself, what do I really want? Love doesn't wait. Opportunities don't wait. Will you allow fear to continue to govern your decisions? Or will you rise up and take action, knowing that the angels are by your side, guiding every step? The universe is conspiring in your favor, but the choice is yours. The time to act is now. Don't let life pass by without discovering what it could truly be. The transformation you long for begins with a decision. Are you ready to take that step? Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt a deep emptiness, as if a part of you is lost amid the chaos of life? This feeling may be an echo of your insecurities, a whisper of fear that settles in your heart. Sometimes, the path ahead seems shrouded in thick fog, making it hard to see what you truly desire. You wonder, what if I'm not good enough? What if my dreams are just illusions? The angels, in their wisdom, are always around you, sending subtle signs that we often overlook. A song that plays at just the right moment, a coincidence that feels magical, or even an inexplicable feeling that something big is about to happen. These are divine reminders that you are not alone. They want you to know that the journey is just as important as the destination. But when insecurity takes over, these signs can become blurry amidst the emotional storm. Now, imagine facing the internal battle that occurs in your mind. You feel the weight of expectations, both your own and those imposed on you by others. The fear of failure can be paralyzing. You find yourself trapped in a cycle of doubt, repeating to yourself that you are unworthy of love or success. It's a conflict that unfolds silently, yet resonates in every decision you make. The critical voices within you scream louder than the angelic whispers trying to guide you. But what if I told you that this internal battle could be your greatest ally? What if what you perceive as weakness is, in fact, an opportunity for transformation? The angels are not just trying to show you that you are loved. They are revealing that this struggle is an essential part of your growth. Every doubt, every fear, is an invitation for you to dig deeper and discover the strength that resides within you. Now reflect on this. You can choose to remain trapped in fear or decide to rise up, look inward, and confront your insecurities. Love does not wait. It cannot be postponed by hesitation. The big question is, will you take action now, or will you spend the rest of your life wondering what could have been? Destiny is approaching, and the choice is yours. Embrace the transformation that the angels offer you and allow yourself to be guided along a path of light and self-discovery. What will you choose? Have you ever looked into someone's eyes and felt that there was more there than just a reflection? As if, in a fleeting moment, time stopped and the universe whispered secrets lost in the stars. This feeling could be a calling, an angelic signal echoing through the dimensions of love and destiny. Angels are always around us, guiding us in times of doubt and uncertainty. They manifest in subtle ways, a white feather that appears out of nowhere, a song that plays exactly when you need to hear it, or a synchronicity that feels orchestrated by the cosmos. These signs are not mere coincidences. They are invitations to pay attention to what your heart desires. They reveal hidden truths, showing that everything is interconnected and that every step you take is part of a larger plan. But then, you find yourself staring into an abyss. Fears arise like shadows, whispers of insecurity trying to overshadow the light. What if I fail? What if the person I love doesn't reciprocate? What if this connection is just an illusion? These questions can create barriers that seem insurmountable, but remember, even angels face challenges in their journey. What sets them apart is the courage to move forward despite their fears. What if I told you that this limitation is just a mask? What if the angels are not just trying to show you that this person misses you, but are giving you one last opportunity? A chance to embrace love before time runs out. The true shock isn't in the doubt, but in the revelation that you have the power to change your trajectory. Destiny is not a predetermined path, but a dance between choices and courage. Now, it's your moment. Love doesn't wait. It pulses and vibrates, eager to be recognized. The big question is, will you allow yourself to feel? Will you act now, breaking the chains of fear, or will you spend your life wondering what if? The decision is in your hands. The angel's call is clear. Embrace your truth, take a step into the unknown, and discover the beauty that awaits you on the other side. Destiny is drawing you closer, but the choice is yours. Have you ever stopped to consider how life can change in an instant? A glance, a touch, a word whispered into the wind. The connection you feel may be deeper than you imagine. It's as if angels are tirelessly working, weaving destinies, paving a lit path for you and another person. But what happens when uncertainty sets in? What if, at this moment, you're on the brink of a transformative revelation? The signs are all around you. A repeated number appearing in your life, a song playing at unexpected moments, a feeling that someone is thinking of you. These are the whispers of angels, guiding you, bringing messages of love and hope. They want you to know that you are not alone. Each sign is a reminder that the spiritual connection you seek is closer than it seems. But what to do when doubt becomes overwhelming? When the voices of fear and uncertainty try to obscure the light of hope? You may feel lost, questioning your intuition and wondering if you're ready to take the next step. What if you fail? What if it's too late? These thoughts can feel like chains, holding you in a place of stagnation. What if I told you that this uncertainty is, in fact, an opportunity? A chance to awaken to something new. Imagine the angels watching closely, waiting for you to recognize the power within you. The truth is, they're not just trying to show you that someone misses you, they're here to give you a nudge. The spiritual connection you feel is not merely an echo of longing, but a call to action. This is your chance to break free from fear and embrace what lies ahead. Now, I challenge you. Are you ready to take action? Look within yourself. Feel the strength pulsating in your heart. Love does not wait. It does not conform to doubt. So, make that choice. Take a step towards the one who makes your heart sing. Do not let uncertainty dictate your actions. Life is short, and opportunities don't wait. Will you allow yourself to live fully, or will you spend the rest of your life wondering what could have been? The decision is in your hands. Have you ever found yourself gazing at the sky, hoping the clouds would part to reveal a hidden truth? There is a mystery hanging in the air, a subtle energy that surrounds us. It's as if the universe is whispering in our ears, urging us to pay attention. Can you hear it? The angels are here, ready to guide you on your journey. Spiritual signs manifest in unexpected ways. A fallen feather, the repetition of numbers, or a vivid dream that won't leave your mind. Each of these elements is a message, an invitation to look closer. The angels communicate through symbols, hoping you will decipher them. They want you to know that you are not alone. Someone somewhere is thinking of you. And that carries immense significance. But oh, what happens when doubt arises? When fear seeps into your heart, creating barriers that seem insurmountable. You may feel lost, paralyzed by uncertainties. The voice of insecurity echoes, "What if I fail? What if I get hurt?" These thoughts become shadows that obscure your path. Often, it's easier to stay in the comfort zone, even if that zone is filled with pain and regret. What if I told you that all of this is part of a larger plan? The angels are here to show you that discomfort can be the first step toward transformation. Imagine a new horizon opening up before you, filled with possibilities. The truth is that change begins when you decide to look at the situation in a new light. It's at that moment that the magic happens. You realize that pain can be a teacher, and every challenge, a disguised opportunity. Now it's your turn to take action. Love and happiness don't wait. How about taking the first step? Look inside yourself and ask, what do I truly want? The decision to change your perspective might be the key to untying the knots that bind your soul. Don't let fear dictate your destiny. Life is brief and precious. Are you ready to embrace change? The choice is yours. The universe is waiting for you. Have you ever felt trapped in an endless cycle, as if each day is a repeat of the one before? A shadow hovers over you, whispering promises of love and transformation, but you hesitate. What happens when life decides to give you a second chance? What if that chance is closer than you think? The signs from the angels are all around you, like twinkling stars on a dark night. You may notice the little coincidences, the unexpected encounters, or even those songs that seem to speak directly to your soul. These manifestations are not mere coincidences. They are divine invitations, reminders that love and the possibility of a new beginning are just a step away from you. But how easy it is to be overwhelmed by fear. Fear of opening up again, fear of getting hurt, fear that the past will repeat itself. You might be thinking, what if I'm not worthy of love? What if this is all just an illusion? These thoughts weigh like anchors, preventing you from navigating toward new waters. What if I told you that this fear is actually a sign that something incredible is about to happen? The angels are not just watching over you, they are here to guide you on your journey. They whisper that love is not just a possibility, but a reality awaiting your courage. The shocking truth is that, often, it is our own hesitation that keeps us from what we truly desire. You are on the brink of a new beginning, but you need to take the first step. Now, I challenge you, look within yourself and ask, am I ready to embrace this journey? Don't let fear dictate your actions. Love is not something that waits. It reveals itself only to those who have the courage to take the leap. It's time to open your heart, to allow the light of the angels to illuminate your path. Will you take action now, or will you spend your life wondering what could have been? The choice is yours.